birthday to you. Today, your special day. Ang wish ko sa'yo na bigyan ka panigad ng mahabang buhay and more birthday pa to come in your life. Thank you kasi andyan ka kasama namin, and thank you din kasi sa ugali mo. Grabe yung pag-intindi mo, hindi ko man naranasan na iba yung pakisama mo. I feel good na kasama ka namin kahit minsan lang din ako nakakasama ninyo, and then hindi na ako mag long speech pa. Alam ko naman na anong ugaling meron ka. Then once again, happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Errol, it's me. Happy birthday po Kuya Errol. Wish ko lang po sa birthday mo ay more birthday to come and stay good health and stay strong po, and enjoy special day with your love, with family's friends love, and with your family, and take care of yourself every day, and enjoy lang talaga ang buhay, laban-laban lang sa mga problema, and I love you, mahal na mahal kita, and love ka namin so much po ng mga family's friends mo po sa Dubai, nasa Dubai, hindi sa Nalaman kita po, I love you so much. Happy birthday to you, Kuya. Happy birthday, I love you. Okay.
Hello, Rigo boy. You know what? Your special day today. I'm so happy birthday. Okay, don't forget, it's your birthday to be happy and honesty. Tsaka hindi naman magaganda yung mga bisita mo, mga chaps.
Hi Ate Errol, happy birthday. Nawa ay matamo mo lahat ng nais mong matamo sa buhay. Nawa ay maging masaya ka ngayon at magpakailanman. Nawa ay mahanap mo ang iyong hinahanap, at higit sa lahat ay naway manatili kang maganda. Happy birthday.
Wow! Happy birthday, Errol. I wish you all the best, all the desires of your heart. You deserve it. Ever God will grant you that. And I know we are in a stage of getting to know each other. We are in a stage of testing the waters, but I know for a fact that everything will be okay. Okay? What else? Yeah, you're a good person. You deserve whatever you have right now. You deserve whatever blessings you're receiving right now. Happy birthday.